To increase productivity and reliability, CNC programs perform more and more probing operations. The programming of these operations can be a nightmare due to complex cycles with many parameters. NCSimil allows for the development of the probing toolpath and protects these very expensive tools. It supports any kind of probing macros like Renishaw, Bloom, CNC Builder, Machine Tool Builder, or anything written by the customer. By decoding probing macros with the same exact logic of your machine tool, it is guaranteed to send a safe program out to the shop floor. NCSimil is very useful to troubleshoot probing operations such as work offset adjustments, part or fixture presence, tool offset adjustments, tool breakage detection, and in-process inspection. NCSimil can also simulate any type of probing devices like multi-ball probes, cubes, cylinders, discs, and lasers. The probing activation function allows for the calculation of the contact point during program decoding. Opening it gives access to the probing report, where a list of contact points for each probe used in the program can be found. For each contact point, there is information about the element in contact, the program name, position of the machine axes, list of macros called, and 3D and program windows showing the block of each measurement point. Unlike in a simulation where everything is perfect, it's possible to define some deviation to see if the probing reacts correctly. Here, -2 millimeters is entered on the first two contact points to see what happens when the rough stock is smaller. After decoding, the work offset adjustment can be verified. In the status window, the work offset values before and after probing are shown. In the variables window, you can monitor the calculations of the probing macros. In this case, the Renishaw output variables are displayed.